Question 24, Venn diagram, okay? So you've got all this information here, alright? Now remember with a Venn diagram, it's always best to work from the middle outwards, okay? And the key here, I think, is this top line actually in this case. 50 pupils choose rugby and football. Of those, 18 choose all three sports. Now, when it comes to rugby and football, okay, you're talking about this overlap here, okay, of the two circles. That's your rugby circle, that's your football circle. Where they overlap, we're going to need to have 50 in there, okay, we're going to need to have 50 in there because 50 choose rugby and football. But of those 50, 18 choose all three sports, so you can have 18 in the middle, okay. So remember I said you work from the middle outwards. We've established what goes in that middle there, because you've got 18 ultimately who are choosing all sports, all three sports, right? Of the ones who are choosing rugby and football, 18 choose all sports. So not only do they choose rugby and football, they also choose swimming as well, okay? But if 18 choose all sports, we need to then work out what goes here, right? Now you might think 50, because 50 choose rugby and football, but if you write 50 here, you also have that 18, which will give you 68. So that's no good. Remember I said this represents rugby and football. So it all has to add up to 50. Okay. So 50 pupils choose rugby and football. Of those, 18 choose all three sports. So if 18 choose all three sports, you'll have 32 who don't choose all three sports, but will just be choosing rugby and football. Okay, and then it adds up to 50, if that makes sense. 80 then choose rugby. Now if you look at the rugby circle, you've got 32 in it and 18 in it. And then you need to have 80 in total. So that comes to 50. But of course then you need to have 18 total. But we wouldn't know, even though that comes to 50 there, and you've got another 30 to make up, you wouldn't know where to put those 30, because you've got some to go in there, maybe some to go in there. So maybe we'll just leave that for a minute, okay? 90 choose football, it says. Now what's good about that one is we can actually work this out straight away, because you've got the football circle here. 90 choose football, we've got 32 there, 18 here, 21 there. We just need to work out this section. They're 50, that comes to 71, okay, 71 in total now, isn't it? 32 and 18 and is 50 plus 21 is 71. So to make up to 90, you can have 19 there, okay. Then it says 59 choose swimming. Well, look at the swimming circle now. 59 choose swimming. In here, well, you've got 16 and 19 is 35, plus 18 is 53, okay. So 53 and then 59 in total, so we've got another 6 to make up. So you can put 6 in there, okay. So you've got now 59 swimming, so you know there's 6 in that overlap there of rugby and swimming. And then we can go back, if you remember, back to original, 80 choose rugby. Well, if you look at the rugby circle now, 32 and 18 is 50, plus the 6 is 56. So you've got, to make up 80, you've got another 24. Okay, and that's it. And it says, how many pupils are there in this group altogether? Well, it's quite simply, then you just need to add up all those representations there. Okay, so 24 plus 32 plus 18 plus 6 plus 19 plus 21 plus 16. So if we add them up, okay, that comes to 136, and we've answered it.